now whenever we talk about the malaria, when we talk about malaria, immediately mosquito came in our mind. Yes, absolutely, the disease is spread by the mosquito. So malaria had been recognized as a major health problem in India. Why? Because of the high population and poor sanitization. Lots of mosquitoes are there in our country. So this is one of the major problem in India. Approximate 100 million of the people suffered. About 1 million died. 200 million people resides into the high malarious area. When we talk about the steps or eradication program, so what can we do? As we know, there is only one source, that is the mosquito. So first of all, we need to think there is about the eradication of the mosquito. So in this project, various government of India has collaborated with the International Cooperation Administration and WHO. So when we talk about the transmission of diseases occur because of the mosquito only. Now, what are the stages? Phases, when we see, first phase is the preparatory phase. Now, see, we need to remember the stages of eradication. First is the preparatory phase. When we talk about the preparatory phase, this includes an initial survey, then planning, preliminary organization. The primary purpose of this survey was to delimit the malarious area. Delimit the malarious area of the country means they will check, they will find out the reason. Now, when we talk about the mosquito life cycle, so we all must know that they are having the metamorphosis, complete metamorphosis. That means their primary stage, they lay egg into the water. So at first stage, if the stagnant water is present in a particular area, so that particular hole or whatever area is there, wherever the water is stagnating, so that must be filled out. The stagnant water must not be there. So in the preparatory is proper training they are giving to the staff to maintain the high degree of efficiency. Then second stage is the attack phase. Now see, preparatory phase, they are trying to delimit the malarious area. Means wherever the holes and all are there, they are checking it. They are taking care that nowhere the water should remain. And attack phase, it means complete coverage of the whole area until the cessation of malaria transmission and empty the parasite reservoir. When we talk about assessment and evaluation of the attack phase, it involves what remained to be done rather than what has been accomplished. Normally, phase lasts for 3 to 4 years. Means they find that this particular area is the malarious area, so they will cover that complete area and they will check each and every lane of that particular area. Now, who is doing all this thing? This is done by the municipality. They will check that nowhere stagnant water is there, nowhere anything is lying like this where the mosquitoes can come. So until and unless cessation of the mosquitoes are not done, they are keep on doing, they are working. So they are taking 3 to 4 years for this particular attack phase. Then next is the consolidation phase. In this phase is also known as the surveillance. It means after when attack phase comes to the end, they are doing the residual pocket of the transmission should be investigated and eradicated. Active case, they find administration of the anti-malarial forms. The chief method of the eradication is residual foci of the malarial transmission. They are checking wherever the malarious people are there, they are taking care. Because what happens if a person is affected from the malaria, if the mosquito bites to that person, they take the infection with them, and then they bite to the next person, they spread to that next person that particular infection. Then maintenance phase. In this particular phase of maintenance begins when activities of consolidation and survival comes to the end. So at the end, they are maintaining whatever is done. That particular things to be maintained properly. The hygiene and sanitation of the area must be maintained. For that, they give the education of the local residents of that particular area, that the hygiene is very important. Do not throw your garbages outside. Do not let the water to be stagnant in your area. So all this education and everything is done into the maintenance phase. Now what will be the outcome? Stubborn disease, it needs the several major. Still we have lots of cases of the malaria in our country and lots of mosquito in our country. So now what local thing we can do? So we are giving awareness that whenever you are sleeping, cover your body properly, use the anti mosquito or mosquito repellent things, like you can have some chemicals, you have the soap, chemically soaked curtains, you can use the anti mosquito or mosquito repellent creams and all. So all these things can be done for this particular disease. Next disease is the leprosy.